Welcome to the channel. We've got another nice vehicle to move today. We're at D&M Tyres in Clown. We're just going to move a car with Paul, who will move the brown Morris 1000 with us. This is one that came out of a garage a few weeks ago and somebody's bought it. So stay with us, come along for the ride and see what we've got. I'll show you in a minute. Right, this is the one we're moving. It's a Skoda 105 Lux. I do believe that lump there is 1000 cc. This has been in a barn for 20 plus years. Just been dug out about 3 or 4 weeks ago. That's the interior. Boy, that's got a good smell to it. Boy. That's what you've got in here. That's the back. That's the front. We've not tried to start this. 62 actual genuine 1,000 miles. And this guy who's bought it, he's got another one, and his other one has got a K-series engine in it, and this one's standard. So we're going to get it on the truck, get it backed on, and we'll be able to show you around the sides and the front. So stay with us a bit, I'll be back with you shortly. Busy in this yard today. Paul's just getting the truck out. This is going to be fun. Then we're going to back that onto it. And get the truck in position. You've passed front to that, Paul. Just watch yourself on white wall. Here we go. G-Reg Skoda. Says it on there, look, Skoda. Yeah. Does that have a Yale lock in it, I wonder? Oh, we've got a puncture. Oh dear, that one's blowing up. It's nearly loaded. Hopefully we can get it on this time. Hopefully. Now we can, yeah, we're at full. Can I straighten up yet, Luke?
No. Will that do it? Now let's go forward a bit.
What we like on that?
Right that down. That's it. Straight up.
Straighten up now, Luke.
Straight up. That's it. Keep going.
Keep it at that. Go off the other way a bit, Luke.
Hey.
That way.
Keep going at that.
Go on, Paul, just keep going. You're right on the edge of both ramps, that's all. You're not central. It's a beautiful day in our part of the world.
Keep going.
Just a nice day to be taking a car. We've only got about 10 miles to take it. It's on. It's low. If it's on, it's gone, Paul. We're on road tomorrow this way, innit? Is that what we normally say, Gaffer? Bit of tea cut. Lovely. I'm glad we're not on there today. M1 Junction 30. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Chock-a-block. Right. We've got to where it's going. Time for it to come off. Clapper pole, just getting the ramps out. And it's going in there, I think. YouTube, here we come. This car's going to be a YouTube sensation, this Skoda.
Right, winches off.
Not as nice as that one he's got there though, but... Now, will this be the final resting place, or is it going to move again? That's the big question.
I dread to think.
The Skoda Skip.
Brilliant. You want them both same colour?
Isn't it Skodas? Is this one yours? Are you having this one? That's great. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll catch you next time. This is the gentleman's daily car, where we just delivered the other 105 to. I do believe this is running a K-series engine with a 4-speed box in it and lots of goodies on it. That does look really nice. You don't often say that about a Skoda, do you? And he uses that all through the year. It's nice, that. But left-hand drive.
Looks like it's come straight out of the factory.
It's lovely, that.
No, I've never.
That's
never.
it,
I've never. Ah, it's the first for me.
K-series in this one,
Is it
look.
for you?
Yeah. Good, aren't they?
Just head gaskets, but no doubt it's all been done. Yeah, once you've done them, you'll never have a problem again, do you? Throw branch manifold.
A set of
Bike
motorbike
carbs.
carbs.
Did you say?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What's brake course then on small heart?
Engines 120.